Hello, this is a video on how to create a folder of shared files on Google Drive. The plan I like to use is to make one folder that is going to be shared open to the public, and then all the files that I plan on sharing will be inside that folder. In fact, I like to make folders inside that folder. So we're going to jump over to Google Drive. The way I like to get to Google Drive is to go to google.com and then click here and get to Google Drive. There are many ways to get to it. You do need to sign on with your Google account. And here's my Google Drive. First thing I'm going to show you is how to create a new folder. So I hit New Folder, and I'm going to call this Shared 3. I'm going to create that. The next thing we need to do is make this a shared folder. Right up here is the key button, the person with the plus sign. This is where all the sharing activity occurs. So I'm going to click that. You can share this with individual people if you want to. I want to make this very open. So I'm going to click this Get Shareable Link. And we could use this option, but what I'm going to do is use an even more open option. I'm going to hit More here. I'm going to use this one right here. Public on the web. Anyone on the internet can find and access this folder, which means it might be that a search engine is going to find it. I'm going to hit Save. And right here is the link that I'm going to use to share it, and I'll do that here in a minute. Next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and put a folder inside here because I like to have my files organized into folders. So I'm going to make a new folder here, and I'm going to call this Mission Trip 2015. And this folder here inherits the fact that it is open to the whole world. So now I'm going to get ready to put my files in here. So I'm going to double click that, and I can drop my files right here. So I'm going to come over here to my Windows Explorer, and I'm going to drag my files and drop them right there. And I have uploaded my 6 files. Now, if I would like to share a link to an individual file, I can use that right here and get this link that I can share. But I like to share the entire folder. So I'm going to back out to the Shared 3 folder. And right here, I'm at Mission Trip 2015. And right here, I'm going to get this link. So I'm going to copy that with Control-C. Now you need a test to make sure that it works. With computers, you always want to test to make sure something's working. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sign out of my Google Drive. I'm going to come over to Facebook, and I'm going to put my posting here. So I've typed my posting. Now I'm going to paste the URL, and I'm going to post that. Wait a few seconds for Facebook to update. Now I'm going to click this and see if it works. It takes me over to Google Drive. You notice that I am not signed in now. I'm just an anonymous person out on the internet. And we can double click one of these files here, and it opens up, and the individual user can download it here if they would like to use that or print it out, whatever they want to do. Just want to show you one more thing here in Google Drive. If you click your folder here and come to the person with the plus sign, the sharing button, right here is a button where you can learn more, and there's some nice information on how to share files. Good luck using a shared folder in Google.